Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful greeting card of sunflower field, where I will show you how to make the beautiful shaded painted background of the evening along with the front gate and beautiful paper quilled sunflower farm. And the theme I got from the original experience when I went to the sunflower field, I immediately thought to create the card on that theme. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 21 by 10 centimeter white color cardstock and starting with making the background paint. So for the painting purpose, I am using here gouache colors, but you can also use chalk paints, watercolors or acrylic colors, whatever you have. Even poster colors will also work. So starting with making the sky, and then after that I will add some more shades to give evening effect like pink color, yellow color, and in the bottom I am going to add sap green color. Just merging everything together very nicely using flat brush. Here I am using 8 number flat brush. So this is done. Then randomly I am making some small sunflowers using yellow color, just creating some petals here and there. You should not be very perfect in that because on top of this we are adding quilling flowers later, just to give it a feel of the field, that is the field is filled with lots of flowers. So just to have little bit flowers in the background, here I am creating the painting. Now adding the centers of each flower using dark brown color. Then making stems and leaves using dark sap green color. Adding little bit of grass from the bottom. And the perfect scenery is completely done. Allow it to dry. So it's completely dried and our card base is ready. So in short, we have created our own pattern paper for the card. Now I'm starting with making the front fencing and gate. For this I am taking here Kraft Cardstock strips, and here I am adding total 5 strips together to create thick bunch of strip. So I'm just trimming it according to my length, and the length is 4 centimeters and width is 5 mm. Now doing little bit of shading from bottom towards the top side using brown distress ink Here I am using my blending brush. If you don't have distressing, you can also do the shading work using watercolors. Now chopping the top in a V shape like this to give a fence look. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of, and also we need one strip in 3 mm with the same Kraft Cardstock. So first I am attaching my fencing in both the corners, then find out the center. And on both sides of the center I am adding small strips which are approx 2.5 cm in height. These are also 5 mm strips, and added 5 strips together to create thick bunch. And then on both sides of this I am adding some more fence sticks. So similarly I am going to complete it on left side. So added all the fences. Now on top of this we have to add 3 mm Kraft Cardstock strip to complete the look. Also creating the gate nicely by adding 3 mm strips horizontally and also in the cross manner. So the fencing is completely done. It's looking very nice. Then on top of the fencing where they are crossing each other, that is we have to create some nails to give it realistic look. So to create the nail effect, here I am using gold acrylic color and using my dotting tool, just adding few dots. And this is done. Then here I am taking 21.5 by 20.5 300 GSM white color cardstock base. Just folded this into half like this, and on top of this I am going to stick my base like this. So a perfect card base is ready. Now it's time to make lots of quilling flowers. So before that I wanted to show you the inspiration. This is the beautiful sunflower field which I have visited, and I thought to create the card. So to create my first flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one semicircle or bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more, so just joining 2 petals together and wrapping it using yellow color strip. For my flowers and leaves, today I am using 2 mm strips only, but you can also use 3 mm strips. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 8 petals together and making the flower. Then to make center of the flower, here I am taking small strips of 7 mm in brown color, just creating fringe flower using this. and then sticking it on top of the flower like this. So with the same method, I have already prepared lots of sunflowers. Some are in big, some are in smaller size. For the smaller petals, I have used 1/8 strip instead of 1/4 strip. The process is same. Now to make another kind of sunflowers, here I am taking half strips of 7 mm in yellow color, just folded it twice and start making the fringes like this. These are having thicker bunch of the petals. So instead of adding petals separately, you can use fringe flower technique. So the fringe strip is completely ready. Now I am sticking half strip of brown color with this and creating the fringe flower. Just opening all the fringes and this is done. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of flowers. Some are in smaller size, some are in bigger size. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light sap green color and making a leaf shape. Then I am joining total 5 petals together to create one leaf. Wrapping this petal using dark sap green color and the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of leaves. Some are made using 3 petals and some are made using 5 petals. The process is same. Now to create some small petals, here I am taking half strip of light sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one tight leaf shape. With the same method, I have already prepared some leaves. Now to make small ladybug, here I am taking 1/4 strip of red color in 2 mm, making a dome shape. Add glue inside the dome and keep it aside. Now to create the face of the ladybug, here I am taking very small strip of black color in 2 mm and making one small tight coil. Just bending it little bit and sticking with the red dome. Like this. Then making the texture by using black marker, creating a straight line and adding few dots here and there. So with the similar method, I have already prepared lots of ladybugs. They are so teeny mini. Can you see the size? It is smaller than my finger. So cute. So all our quilling things are ready, like flowers, leaves and ladybugs, and it's time to decorate our card. So I am starting with decorating my card with the big flowers. So randomly I am adding my flowers like this on the height, and then on the below part I am adding my fringed sunflowers. Then here and there I am adding leaves. After that I am adding ladybugs here and there. and then at the end I am adding sentiment hello, which I have cut using this beautiful die by Dress My Craft. All the supply links are given in description box. Then I am making some birds using my black marker to give more natural effect. And the super gorgeous greeting card with the beautiful sunflower field is ready. And with this method you can create any kind of flower field like tulip fields, lavender fields, whatever you like. And of course inside the card you can write the special message to the special one. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.